There's a sailboat on the Hudson, 'neath the great cliffs of the Palisades, and a campfire by the Delaware, where the evening shadow fades. A lighthouse that is silent, but for sounds of wide sea flow, you're the best of all my memories, New Jersey, my home. You're the cry of revolution, you're the singing of a children's choir, you're the voice of Thomas Edison, and all that he inspired. Your leaves of grass and Salem with its green majestic dome. You're the glorious page of history, New Jersey, my home. For as long as violets blossom in the gardens by the Jersey shore, and spirits walk through Princeton's halls, we'll love you evermore, and we'll be your sons and daughters wherever we may roam. You're the mirror of America, New Jersey, my home. You're the mirror of America, New Jersey, my home.